Hey guys, this is embarrassing and frustrating. If you watch the last video, you'll see a note in there telling you that I played my half-note triplets incorrectly. After I went to great length of describing how to do them and count them out, I went and played them as quarter notes and never sensed what I was doing wrong during the playing. You've probably noticed in this process I'll often say the wrong word in reference to something I'm doing and never even catch it. Sometimes I'll find it when I'm listening back and I'll think, well, it doesn't matter that much. They'll know from the context what I meant. I've even done that describing chords. In one video I was playing D's to F sharp minors, and I was telling you that that was a B minor, the 6th chord, and that it sounded like doo-wop. And as I did it, there was something in my head that said, this is wrong, it doesn't sound like doo-wop this time, I guess that's just me. The moment I looked at it back, I realized, oh, for some reason, instead of playing B minors, which I clearly know, I was playing F sharp minors. So what I had to do was cut that chunk out of the video. I've done that in other cases where you may notice a glitch where I'll actually cut out a part where I find out I was saying the wrong word. I could go back and cut out the playing of this song in the last video, but I'm going to leave it in. It's too much work to do that, and I'll leave you a note just to come and check it out here. The point was that we're doing half-note triplets. In order to do triplets, we have to subdivide, either consciously or unconsciously, into 8th note triplets. So when we're playing these triplets, we have to be able to play right after beat 2 and right before beat 4 on triplets. So you play 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 in your head. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1. I had made the point of playing it and listening to it, counting it out until you knew it, and then playing by feel, and I just went right into feel and played it wrong. I'm going to try it here with a metronome so that we can line them up and hopefully get them accurately into there. As I've mentioned, half-note triplets are difficult, and especially for me. So I'm going to play at 84 beats per minute on the quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the other embarrassment is that when I reshot this, I forgot to record it last time. Hopefully this is recorded and correct. See you guys later. Have a good one.